How to create a free website with Claude, a professional website for your business, portfolio, or project completely free. Free domain, free hosting, no monthly fees, no hidden costs. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to build a full website using Claude AI, host it for free on GitHub pages, and connect a free domain so you have a real web address that you own. Everything in this video is going to cost $0. Now let me show you exactly what tools we are going to be using and confirm each one is genuinely free with no trial period. First and foremost, we're going to be using Claude AI. And of course, we're going to be using the free tier of Claude AI, as you can clearly see. Now, AI is going to write all the website code for you. The free tier of Claude gives you the access to Claude's powerful language model with a generous daily message limit for generating website code. Then moving on, the other platform that we're going to be using is called GitHub. Now, GitHub is also completely free. Version control and host for our website files. Okay, all the things that we're going to be needing is going to be added over here. And GitHub's free static site hosting service is amazing. Then moving on, we are going to be using Freenom. Okay, so Freenom is going to offer free domain registrations in .tk, .ml, .ga, .cf, and .gq extensions. Alternatively, .eu.org provides free subdomains for non-commercial use. You could cover both options, but I'm going to go with Freenom for this. And then finally, any coder that you want to go with, personally, I would go with VS Code. Okay, and this is for editing files if any manual adjustments are needed, which they shouldn't be, but if you are a code geek, you could go ahead with this. Everything is totally free. No credit card is going to be required for any of it. So to start things off, let's build. Now, before generating any code, you're going to define what you're building, and this is the most important step because your Claude prompt is the blueprint. So decide on the purpose of the website. Is it a portfolio, a small business, personal blog, a project showcase? The pages you need, like, home, about, services, portfolio. These are the typical small website pages. The visual style, like colors, fonts, overall aesthetic, and the key content for each page. Now, for this tutorial, we're building a personal portfolio website for a freelance writer. One page, clean, minimal design, sections for introduction, services, writing samples, and a whole lot more. So you're going to come to Claude and you're going to write in a prompt. So I'm going to write generate a complete single file HTML website. I want everything HTML, CSS, and JavaScript in one single index.html file. Okay, and of course you can go ahead and give it more details, like the website is a personal portfolio for a freelance writer named, let's go with Jordan Park. Now, once we've done that, we're going to write it should have these sections. Now, from here on out, you're going to go ahead and add in the sections like nav bar, which is going to be your navigation bar with links to each section. Let's go with hero section with name, headlines, and animated gradient background. Okay, services section with 3 cards, which could be content writing, copywriting, and brand storytelling. Then writing samples section, that shows, examples, about section, and contact section. There we go. So once that is in, you can also add in design requirements like keep it clean, minimal, and aesthetic. And you could go ahead and nice fonts and yellow, green for coloring. So once that is done, you're going to send and then just wait. Wait for Claude to generate the code. Claude works through the entire website systematically. writing for HTML structure, the embedded CSS, and a JavaScript for interactions. Now this takes around a minute or two, and the second Claude finishes, you're going to see the complete HTML code in the response. Now it will be a large block of code. Now, once that large block of code is in front of you, let me show you what it is going to be looking like. All right. So I have created this website over here for myself that I'm going to be showing you. And this is the exact same prompt that I've given right now. So as you can see over here, it says download. And what you can do is you can simply download it. And what it does is it downloads the whole general file for you that you can go ahead and work along with. And let me also give you an idea of what the generation actually looks like. Like if I open up this file, look at this. This is the design that it actually gives us. There's everything over here that navigates us to the place we want to go. And the website is absolutely aesthetically pleasing with the proper concurrent designs that you need. Now, once your website is done, what you're simply going to be doing is you can add it onto your GitHub. And of course, you can add it pretty easily because you have the whole HTML file on you. And the HTML file is going to be added into your PC. So simply come over to GitHub, add your new repository, and in that new repository, you can simply go ahead and upload the HTML file. Now, what that does is it's going to allow you to have a proper database where your website is going to be stored, and it's not going to be an issue for you in the recurring future where you're going to have to think, where is my file? Where is my database? And how do I set this up? Now, of course, once you've added your repository, make sure to go over to Freenom or any free, available domain checker. And over there, once you have availed your domain, what you're simply going to do from there is add your website onto that domain, and you're going to add it onto that domain through GitHub. Or if you want an even easier route, you can use any software like lovable.dev. Now, Lovable is going to allow you to simply post your website or whatever code or app you've generated onto any section that you personally want. Now, your site is going to be live, but the URL is not going to be professional for a portfolio or a business. So you can get that free custom domain for yourself to make it look professional. Now, on Freenom, you're going to search your desired domain name, type your name or business name, and search. Now, free domains are going to be available mostly, and obviously, if you are in luck, it might be even available in .com. So it's going to depend on you on how you choose to connect it. Now, after all of that is done, if you have uploaded your website and you choose to actually make changes in it, how do you do that? What you're simply going to be doing is you're going to open up the index.html file in a text editor, make your changes, or use Claude to generate updated sections. Go back to your GitHub repository, choose the file list, and of course, make changes inside of GitHub. And what that does is it automatically rebuilds and deploys within a minute or two, and your live website reflects the changes almost immediately. Now, after doing that, you're pretty much good to go. And you now have a complete website live on the internet that is built with AI, hosted for free with a free custom domain, and you didn't spend a single dollar or learn to write code. The complete stack. So that is pretty much about it for this video. If you enjoyed, please do make sure to drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.